Hello all, it's a cozy day. Got some chores to do, got some little things to do. Make a cup of tea, do a tarot reading or something, I don't know. Just cozy day. So come along.
And just beat the devil out of him.
We gotta fix this. They're full of garbage. It always happens. Okay, so first thing, this is my work bag. And usually, this one's actually not too bad. Just one wrapper. That's a little granola bar I should get rid of. I think that's it. Yeah. Other than that, I think it's okay. All right. Work bag, not so bad. This one is my purse that I take with me everywhere when I'm not using my work bag. And it's not quite as cute. The panda. My friend got this out of a claw machine at a bowling alley. And I only had it for like a month. He's missing an eye.
They took my fucking eye.
And his neck is open. He's got a gouged wound on his neck. But he's still cute. I like him. He's gonna stay there. I might move him to my dirty bag, actually. This is garbage. Doesn't have any in it. Receipts. Receipts. Garbage. Garbage. This is horrible. Garbage. I'm always scared I'm gonna find a bug. Like, every single time without fail. There's a fork. Like a broken plastic fork. Oh my god, this is nasty. Okay. There's nails. Like false nails. Ones I got a nail. Just loose. That had popped off. That I just threw in my purse and never did anything with. Garbage. And the melted chocolate. Love that for me. Oh my god, what's this? Is that a loonie? Oh my god, is that a loonie? It's a loonie! I should clean up my bag more often. Basically empty now. It was super embarrassing because like I went to go see John Mulaney while he was here. They have to look at your bag before you're seated or before you're allowed to walk in the venue. And I was like they're looking for like liquor or something you're not supposed to bring into the venue, right? That's fine. No issue with that. However, they went to look at my bag and I was like, it's just garbage. Like I didn't even know what to say. I was like, they looked for like 2 seconds and they were like, yeah, no. Even if there is a knife in there, I'm not digging through to find it. I don't know if this is just like, okay, so this is something that I think and I don't know if it's just like what you grew up with, if that sort of influences how you see this, but you expect me to say something controversial. It is controversial. Your dirty dishes. Do you put them on the counter next to the sink or do you put them in the sink? Here's why I ask. I always put them in the sink. To me, like dishes on the counter is like a cardinal sin. You can't do that. They don't belong there. Unless they're clean and they're on the drying board or on the drying mat, that's fine. But you can't just be leaving freaking dirty dishes on the counter, pots and pans on the counter. And the reason why I bring this up is because my boyfriend is the opposite. He thinks they should go on the counter and then the sink be clear, and then you wash them in the sink and then you move them to the other side of the sink. He's a madman. I'm very passionate about this. I can't relax unless I've cleaned. Freaking hell. Unless I've cleaned first. So if it's like Saturday morning and it's like, okay, it's time to relax, time for everybody to, you know, chill, I probably will wake up and do the dishes or something before I go to sit and have my coffee. And that's not like, I'm not like, I have to do the dishes because nobody does the, like, that's not how it is. It's just, I don't feel like I can until I do that. And that's relaxing to me, is like putting stuff away. I love cleaning and organizing. So it's not a chore so much as it's like, this is just part of what I'm doing so that I can decompress. I don't find it stressful. I find it calming to do, if that makes any sense. So there's that. Yeah, that's my little 2 cents on the dishes. It's very interesting, very interesting.